welcome to EA in the Bay. EA in the Bay. My name is Elina, and today I'm going to do a quick hair tutorial using this Revlon 2-in-1 blow dryer and styler. I got this off of Amazon. I love to use this whenever I'm in a rush and just want to get it done and still have a good clean look. Something that's nice to do, that's easy, especially for us working ladies that don't have much time in the morning to get it, you know, to sit down and style our hair. This is a super fast and fun way to do it. So, yes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. My favorite thing to do when styling with this is actually to have my hair already almost fully dry. So it really defeats the purpose of using this as a blow dryer. I noticed that using this as a blow dryer, it just doesn't work as well. I would have to go over the hair multiple times to get it to the point where, you know, it's dry first and then I have to style it, and I find that I end up applying way too much heat to my hair by drying with this first and then styling with it. So I like to just dry my hair first or wait for it to air dry. That would be ideal, the best. So I wait for it to air dry. I put in some heat protectant, as you'll see, and then I just use this to style, to kind of layer the hair, to make it softer and less frizzy, and just kind of give it a natural, beautiful wave at the end of it. It's very simple and very easy to do, and that's why I like to use this as a styler. So what I did before I had this was have a hairbrush like this, and I would blow dry the hair, and then I would wrap the hair around and then pull it and then let it go. And that's the same type of technique that I use with this one. But this, already applying the heat as you dry, allows the curl to last for longer and to be more smooth as well. So yeah, this is it. I will link this down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.